Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today I am going to start 7th class. In the previous videos we discussed about addition, subtraction and multiplication on the integers. Today I am going to discuss about division on integers. Division is nothing but inverse of the multiplication. Before discuss about division, I want to explain once again about the multiplication. Let's take an example first. Suppose minus 6 into 4 minus it is plus, minus into plus it is minus, so minus number it is minus 24, minus 6 into 3, so it is minus 18, minus into plus it is minus number, okay, minus 18, minus 6 into 2 which is minus 12, minus 6 into 1 it is minus 6, minus 6 into 0 something into 0 into something it is 0 only, you know that very well. So 6 into minus 1, what you get here? So both numbers are minus only. So once you observe here, minus 24, minus 18, minus 12, minus 6. Understood? So here we have negative sign. So 24 is less than minus 18. Minus 24 is less than minus 18. So minus 18 is less than minus 12. Minus 12 is less than minus 6. Minus 6 is less than 0. What happened here? The value of the number is increased by 6. So here also we should increase the 6. So minus it is 6, positive 6. Why? Because it should be increased by 6. Every number 24 increased by 6, you get the minus 6, 18, and again if you add the 6 to minus 18 you get the minus 12, again you add the 6 to minus 12 you get the minus 6, again you add the 6 to minus 6 to the 6, so it is 0. So if you add 6 to the 0 you get the 6. Understood? So now minus 6 into minus 2 it is 12, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 3 it is 18, minus 6 into minus 4 it is 24. What happened? 6 is increased. Understood? So finally what I am saying here, so one positive one negative and positive. So if you positive negative, if you multiply, if you positive number and multiply negative number multiply, you get the negative. If you multiply negative and negative, you get the positive number. You got it? So my negative number into positive number, you get the negative number. So when you multiply negative into negative, you get the positive number. You keep it in mind. So next I am going to discuss about division. So suppose 3 4s are 12. If 12 is divided by 4, what you get? Yes, quotient is 3. If the same 12 is divided by, if you divide it by 3 you get the 4. Understood? In the same way 6 4s are minus 6 into 4 it is minus 24. Understood? In the same manner, minus 24 is divided by 4. What you get? Yes, you get the minus 6. So you get the minus 6. So if you divide minus 24 is divided by minus 6, you get, what you get? Yes, you get 4. So negative number is divided by 4, you get the negative number. Negative number is divided by positive number, you get the negative quotient. So here negative number is divided by negative number integer, you get the positive number. Understood? Suppose you take minus 6 into minus 2, you get 12, no? So now 12 is divided by minus 2, you get the minus 6. Understood? So my 12 is divided by minus 6, you get the minus 2. Positive number is divided by minus 2, you get the minus 6. Positive number is divided by negative number, you get the negative number. So let us solve some problems in page number 12. So that is, he has given multiplication and division statements. So here he has given 2 into minus 6, it is product is minus 12. So minus 12 is divided by minus 6, you get the 2. And minus 12 is divided by 2, you get the minus 6. Minus 4 into 5, it is minus 20. So minus 20 is divided by 5, you get the quotient minus 4. Minus 20 is divided by minus 4, you get the 5. Minus 8 into minus 9, it is 72. 72 is divided by minus 8, it is equal to minus 9. 72 is divided by minus 9, it is minus 8. So minus 3 into minus 7, it is 21. So 21 is divided by minus 3, you should get the minus 7. Answer is minus 7. Then 21 is divided by minus 7, you get, what you get? Yes, minus 3. So minus 8 into 4, it is 8 for the 32, it is minus 32. Minus 32 is divided by 4, you get the minus 8. Minus 32 is divided by minus 8, you get the 4. Now 5 into minus 9, it is minus 45. 9 5 is a 45. So minus 45 is divided by minus 9, you get quotient 5. Quotient is 5. So minus 45 is divided by minus 9 is equal to it is 5. So it is 5. Minus 45 is divided by 5, it is minus 9. Now minus 10 into minus 5, it is 50. Plus 50 is divided by minus 5, you get minus 10. So 50 is divided by minus 10, you get minus 5. I hope you all understand this. So in the same page we have a do this and try this problem in the same page. So first of all, do this. First do this. Solve the following. Minus 100 divided by 5. So it is a negative number, it is a positive number. Answer should become a negative number. So I am going to solve this problem. Minus 100 divided by 5. Minus 100 divided by 5. It is equal to negative number. 5 table to 100. Yes, 20 times. 5 20 is a 100 minus 20. Second question, you have to do it. Third question, minus 75 divided by 5. I am going to solve this problem. It is first one. Now I am going to do third problem. Minus 75 is divided by 5 is equal to, so 15 5s are 75, 5, so it is minus. No, you have to keep the minus number here. Then I am going to solve seventh problem. Seventh problem is, what is the seventh problem? If you have a textbook, you can open it and see it. 64 divided by minus 16. 64 divided by minus 16. 16 4s are 64. So here we are divided with my negative number. No, you should have the quotient also negative number. This is remaining or you have to do homework at home and send me personally. Okay. Next. Can you say that minus 48 divided by 8 is equal to 48 divided by minus 8? So let us do it. Solution. So given what he has given, minus 48 divided by 8. So it is divided by 8, it is left hand side. So 48 divided by 8, it is 6. 6 8s are 48. So it is my negative number. No, you have to write negative. So 48 is divided by minus 8. So it is divided by negative number. So you get the answer minus 6. So both ways you get the same answer, left hand side and right hand side. It is the left hand side minus 6 we get, and right hand side also we get, right hand side also we get minus 6. Therefore you can write minus 48 is divided by 8 is equal to 48 divided by minus 8. We can say that. Then two more problems are there. So 90 divided by minus 48 and minus 90 is divided by 48, and minus 136 divided by 4 and 136 is divided by minus 4. So you have to solve these two problems and send personally. Thank you for watching. If you not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.